A flight of 2,800 km, an aircraft was slowed down due to bad weather. Its average speed is reduced by 100 km per hour, and by doing so, the time of the flight is increased by 30 minutes. Find the original duration of the flight. Solution. Here we are going to apply the formula speed equal to distance travelled by time taken. So distance travelled in kilometer and time taken in hours. So the unit is speed. Unit for speed is kilometer per hour. Let the original speed of the aircraft be x kilometer per hour. Here the total distance travelled equal to 2,800 kilometer. So that is given in the question. So we know that speed equal to distance travelled by time taken. From this, time taken equal to distance travelled by speed. The unit is hours, okay? In this particular question, it's hour. So the time taken, the original time taken, t equal to distance travelled here is 2,800 kilometer and the speed is x kilometer per hour. So t equal to 2,800 by x hours. Now the average speed is reduced by 100 kilometer per hour. That is x is the original speed and it is reduced by 100 kilometer per hour. So x minus 100 kilometer per hour is the reduced average speed. So the new time taken. After the speed is reduced, the new time taken for the aircraft to cover the 2,800 kilometer distance. So Tn is the new time taken, which is equal to the distance travelled is same. So 2,800 kilometer by x minus 100, the new average speed kilometer per hour. Tn equal to 2,800 by x minus 100 hours. So according to the question, since the speed is reduced, there is a delay of 30 minutes. So the new time Tn minus T, the original duration, is 30 minutes. So here the speed is given in kilometer per hour. Okay. And the delay is given in minutes, 30 minutes. So you have to convert the delay into hours. So 30 minutes is half an hour. That is 30 by 60 hours. So we know that Tn equal to new time 2,800 by x minus 100. So new time is more, right? Minus 2,800 by x equal to 1 by 2. Now we have formed an equation based on the information given in the question. So we have to simplify this to form a quadratic equation, okay? 2800, we can take it out. So 1 by x minus 100 minus 1 by x equal to 1 by 2. So 2 into 2800. So here LCM is 2, 2 is in the right hand side, okay? That comes to LHS. X into x minus 100 is the LCM here. We get x minus of x minus 100 equal to 1. 5600 into x minus x plus 100 equal to this denominator goes to RHS. So x square minus 100x. So x minus x get cancelled. 5600 into 100 equal to x square minus 100x. So x square minus 100x minus 56 into 100 into 100 equal to 0. So here the sum is minus 100 and the product is 56 can be written as 7 into 8, okay? So 7 into 8 into 100 into 100, that is 700 into 800. So there is a minus sign. So minus 700 into 800, okay, product. So splitting the middle term, x square. So we should get minus 100. So minus 800x plus 700x minus 700 into 800 equal to 0. So x into x minus 800 plus 700 into x minus 800 equal to 0. So x plus 700 into x minus 800 equal to 0. X equal to minus 700 or x equal to 800. So since speed cannot be negative, we are taking x equal to 800. Speed cannot be negative. X is speed, okay? X kilometer per hour, okay? So original speed is 800 kilometer per hour. According to the question, we need to find out duration, original duration of the flight. That is t, okay? So the original duration t equal to 2800 by x hours, okay, which is t equal to 2800 by x is 800, that is equal to 28 by 8 hours. So t equal to 7 by 2 uh, hours, or t equal to 3 1 by 2 hours, 3.5 hours. So t equal to 3.5 hours is our final answer. The original duration is 3.5 hours. So Recap. So we are applying the formula time taken equal to distance traveled by speed. We are taking the original speed as x kilometer per hour. So the original duration is t equal to 2800 by x hours. Since the aircraft is delayed by 100 km per hour, average speed is delayed by 100 km per hour, the new time taken is 2800 by x minus 100 hours. So the difference between the two times, that is half an hour, which is given in the question. So Tn minus T equal to 30 by 60 hours. So we got a final equation, quadratic equation, which is x square minus 100x minus 5600 into 100. So solving that, we get the original speed, which is x equal to 800 km per hour. So the original duration t equal to 2800, the distance traveled by original speed 800 kilometer per hour. So the t equal to 3.5 hours or 3 1/2 hours. So hence we got the final answer. Okay, thank you.